I'm going up the back wall now, DIYs, and then I'll be going across there. I'll show you how I do a few cuts. Around those pipes. Because there's always a backing board to the Vanity, I don't have to be too flash cutting those pipes. Where is my tape? Don't know. Don't know where my tape's gone. Anyway, too bad. That's just a square hole, just for a PowerPoint. I'll just go outside. Because the Vanity has a backboard, I don't have to be too flash in cutting the cut around the pipes, which is cool. Unnecessary to go to all the trouble cutting fancy holes. It just slows you down too much when you don't need to. That is what you need to do though. Always prime your walls. See how that's been set by the jib rocker? Well, that is full on dusty, but now it's not because it's been sealed. And I can't harp on about it enough, you guys. You might say, oh, silly old fart. Nah. What I'm trying to show you is full rigidage. It's great that everyone's tuning in and seeing what I'm up to. It's great that everyone's subscribing to my channel. It's cool. It shows that people want to learn to tile, and that's good. Lean in and I'll show you. I don't claim to know everything, but I know I've been doing it for a while. There's always new and improved things out there though. I'm the first one to take a look. Oh, beauty boy. Nice. It's good. Put a wedge in there all the time. Just keep looking at your lines. You can't go wrong. So this is what I said before, the Vanity comes out to about here. It covers everything there. So you're home and hose. This is the 12mm notchy I'm using. I'm wearing here, right. I'm concentrating on what I'm doing and talking at the same time. Shearers can do it, but blokes find it a bit harder to do. Okay, I'll come back to you soon. See ya.